Well, hello everybody. Doug Rucker here with DougRuckerStore.com and DougRuckerSchool.com. Hey, we just finished up another van build, and I'm going to show it to you coming up next. Okay, guys. So this is just another one of our van builds. By the way, I'm using a pair of glasses that has a camera right in the middle of it, so I'm going to try to move slow, but would appreciate any comments on how the video is using the glasses versus like an iPhone. So let me know about wind, volume, all of that. So we've got an 8 gallon per minute pressure washer right over here, and then here is our Kingslinger soft wash system. This is a little bit different compressor than normal. They've made some changes. Looks like they've got a Kohler here. This is the first time we've seen one. I guess they have changed it, but we bought a couple since in the last couple of weeks since we bought this, and have gotten the Honda. But anyway, one of the changes they made is the handles don't come up quite as high because of the motor. The gas tank's a little bit bigger, which is nice. But anyway, we couldn't put the soft wash station, the mixing station with the pump, on the handles like we always do. So we just made a little frame here, and we attached it here on the wall. All of the hoses are going up and around. They're all hidden. Everything is nice and clean. Got a nice little alleyway that you could walk through here. So we've got the Kingslinger soft wash system here. Then we have the 8 gallon per minute pressure washer. We've got two 100 gallon tanks. One is for bleach, one is for water. And up here, of course, we have the Flow Pro remote control system for downstreaming. And right back there is the actuator and the bypass. And then we have our 3-way here so that he can easily go from bleach and rinse his valve out, rinse his downstream injector out just by flipping the switch here in the mounting box. And then we also did for the Kingslinger, we also did the drain kit, so that all he has to do is turn this valve and it'll release all the pressure down through there. He doesn't have to worry about getting up underneath here and back there. So we kind of made everything so it's easy to get to, easy to operate, it's easy to gas it up. Got the battery right there. Everything's nice, neat, and compact. Very clean, very simple. And then we come over here. He's got his 24-inch little big guy here in the door. He'll make some adjustments how he wants to do that. And then we've got the 3 electric Hannay hose reels, complete with the circuit breakers and also the solenoid that it comes with. And so we've got our pressure hose, Fierce Jet pressure hose up here, Flexilla 1/2-inch soft wash hose there, and then our Flexilla water hose down on the bottom to fill the water tank. And so that's pretty much it. Yeah, this is a fairly new van. It's in excellent condition. I think it's almost brand new. But did not have a liner put down. He elected not to do that, just mainly because of time constraints. But everything is plumbed. You know, he can use the bleach fill kit here so he can fill his bleach off site and not have to open the lid. We've got the bleach tank, of course, vented like we always do down to the bottom of the van. We also have the water tank vented as well. You can see that little hose sticking up out of there. That's because these lids have no vents, so we need to make sure we're venting both the tanks. But very clean setup, very easy. He's ready to go to work. He's got him an adjustable gun, has a pressure wash gun assembly, and of course the J-rod nozzles. And he it's actually the second rig this guy's bought. He attended our school about a year ago, and it's doing very well. So just wanted to show that to you guys. Don't forget, our next training is coming up March 13th and 14th, and hands-on training, and then don't forget also our online school. And hey, we're located right here in Porter, Texas, right outside of Houston. So if you're in this area, Kingwood, Atascocita, Porter, New Caney, Woodlands, I don't care where you're at, anywhere in Houston, stop in and see us when you get a chance. But hope you enjoyed it, and we will talk to y'all soon. Have a very, very blessed day. Good is the enemy of great. There isn't any reason why you can't take your good pressure washing business and turn it into a great exterior cleaning business.